This is where a home stops being simply structure and starts becoming a personal design. But it doesn't start here. This is part 2, the frame. At this stage, everything is measured, laid out, and checked. Lines on a slab, dimensions on paper. Walking the home, the spaces still feel undefined. But as the walls go up, this changes rapidly. You can start to read the layout, feel the flow between spaces. This is the first moment you begin to see how the home will actually live. In this project, the structure does more than define spaces. It becomes part of the aesthetic design. These timbers date back to the 1800s. Each one is unique, and each one has to be evaluated, marked, and prepared for installation. This isn't something you install by routine. This is not a standard step. Every cut requires intention. Because at this point, we're building the structure while also shaping the character of the home. This is the moment we saw at the beginning. This is how our structure becomes a defining element of aesthetic. Now, the frame is complete. And even without finishes, no paint, no stone, no flooring, many of the decisions that will define the final look have already been made, from exterior materials to interior finishes. This is where the final vision begins to take shape. Function and design working together. By the end of this stage, what started as an empty slab has become a home you can walk through, envision, and begin to experience.